Hello students, welcome to this class. Today we'll see lesson number 6, The Making of a Scientist from Footprints Without Feet. It's written by Robert W. Peterson. Let us try to see the summary of the whole lesson. Richard was a single child to his parents. He did not have friends to play with. So he became interested in collecting butterflies and various other items like fossils, coins, and rocks. His mother encouraged him by taking him on trips. She also bought him telescopes, microscopes, cameras, and other equipment. She helped him to learn. By the time he was in the second grade, he had collected 25 species of butterflies around his hometown. That probably would have been the end of his butterfly collecting. But Richard read a book bought by his mother. It was titled The Travels of Monarch X. It explained how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. This book created love for science in him. In other words, this book opened the world of science to him. So, he raised thousands of butterflies at home. Though it was difficult or tedious for him to collect butterflies, he tagged them as they grew and freed them to study their migration. Tag means to attach something to something else, to identify it. Soon he began to lose interest in tagging butterflies. The reason was that there was no much feedback. Feedback means information given by the user. However, sometime later, he put up a slide of frog tissues at the county science fair. County means local or regional. But he did not get any prize. His unsuccess made him firm and resolute, that is, determined to experiment further. He sought help from Dr. Urquhart to work on various projects. He was awarded prizes at the county and international science fairs in subsequent years. His work on viceroy butterflies got him the first prize in a science fair. This all led to Richard's discovering a hormone necessary for the growth of monarch butterflies. He also worked at the Army Laboratory and the US Department of Agricultural Laboratory. There he worked on the hormone theory. This made him identify the hormone's chemical structure. A year and a half later, Eberhard got the idea for his new theory about his new project work, that is, about cell life. The reading of X-ray photos of the chemical structure gave him the answer to read the blueprint of its DNA. DNA is the substance in the nucleus of a cell that controls heredity. Heredity means the process of passing on of physical or mental characteristics from one generation to another. At Harvard Medical School, Eberhard experimented to test his theory. He said if this theory proved correct, it might lead to new ideas about how to prevent diseases like cancer. Eberhard had other interests also. He became a good debater, a public speaker, and a good canoeist. Richard A. Weyher is his social studies teacher, spoke highly of him. He praised him. He admired him. His magic words are: start with a first-rate mind, add curiosity, and mix in the will to win for the right reasons. A Bright had all these qualities, and that's the reason why he became a great scientist. I hope you have understood the lesson. In order to understand it better, please go through the text. Thank you.